All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today we are going to do something a little bit different. For the past week or so, we have been doing video tours of high-end homes. Some of you guys wanted to see a lower price point of homes, and I totally understand that. This channel is about showing you guys everything that's currently available out here in the Las Vegas housing market. So today we are here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley, just south of 215 and Rainbow. So if we look up west here, if we head about just a block, you will hit Rainbow. And right off to the right hand side of Rainbow, if you head north, you are going to hit the 215. You can literally see the 215 from here. Then from the 215 all the way to Harry Reid International is right about there. You're less than 15 minutes. But now going back to the 215 and Rainbow, you are going to have every food ethic group that you can think of. You have all the shopping as well. You have Walmart, Home Depot. I mean, you have it all. So today we are here in Pinehurst Condos. Reason why I want to show you this condo here today is because a couple things. I have a client that's actually interested in this condo unit, and also I think this is a good value add property for the near future. Now this is a gated condominium condos. There is a clubhouse with a pool, gym as well. Now this is the first floor unit right here, and the unit's right here. So now there are going to be some things that need to be done with this unit. However, if you can oversee that, the potential is there. So now let's just turn this thing around here. So as you can see, we do have some covered parking. So you'll definitely have one covered parking. Now some of these units will also come with a garage, which that would be an additional fee. However, the covered parking that's in the front of the unit here, you get one of those. Now, first floor. So let's go inside, let's take a look, and let's see exactly what you get. First of all, let's start off with the price of this unit and what is going on. So to break it down, this unit right here is 1,024 square feet. It is a 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. That's right. The asking price on here is $230,000. Now, some of the stuff that you will look at here, I'm going to go over it, what you need. First of all, you're going to have to paint. And the floors here, these are laminate flooring. As you can see, it's tore up because originally this was a rental property. All the baseboards need to be redone. I'm thinking if you throw about $20,000 for $250 on here, I think this would be a great rental property. Now, the $20,000, that's just a number that I'm throwing out there. It could be more, it just depends. However, because this is just a rental unit, I would probably keep the laminate flooring and try to clean up as best as possible. Right here would be actually your formal dining area. Okay, now let's take a look here. So we have a bedroom here. Now the other thing I want to mention, if you guys want to see what the location is, if you click at the link in the description below, that link will also give you the aerial view of the location of the condominiums. I know it's a little bit dark here, and I do apologize because there's not that much light. So you do have a cable out here, which is really nice. Looks like we have our power box here. Okay. Get your walk-in closet. Now we have a bathroom here that shares a bathroom with a guest, and you'll have one more door. So the cabinets here, you can definitely rip out. I would probably save the same tub, save the tub. You can refurbish the tile here. All this is still good. Missing some lights. I would get rid of those lights and redo the lights. Now some of the stuff that you can still keep, like these linen closets here, I would definitely refurbish this or get rid of this door and do shaker style doors, but leave the cabinet itself. So here's the door that takes you back out to the kitchen. You have this nice high peninsula. I would probably drop this and do granite. You can do a full nice quartz countertop, white shaker cabinets. These cabinets are still pretty good that you could actually paint the cabinets just to save some money as well. Because remember, this would actually just be a rental property. Here should be the washer and dryer. Where are we at? Okay, here we go. Washer and dryer. Flip this thing around. Here, so this would kind of be like your pantry. I mean, it definitely needs work. Now for me, I don't think this is a lot of work. For some people, they may say this is a lot of work, which is I totally understand. Now coming into the primary, you have a phone jack here, and then your cable is going to be right there, which is really nice. Now keep in mind, a lot of these units will not have their own main shut-off valve to the unit. If you shut off the water, you are shutting off the water to the whole unit itself. Let me just see if I can get the closet light on. Here you go. Now this video is not going to be that long. Bathroom. Same thing, it just mirrors the other one. Oh, this tub is a little bit larger. You definitely need to keep this tub here for sure. Definitely needs some work. You gotta change out the toilets, the cabinets itself. Now where is the hot water heater? Is it in here? Wow, so here's another closet. Interesting, you have two closets here. Which is, there's no light in this closet. Huh. There's no light in that closet, so that's probably a 4x4. Now, one thing I've noticed when I came out to this unit, somebody has a brand new Goodman. So, I don't know if it's this one here belongs to the unit or the one above. Now the question is, where is the hot water heater? Because here, the patio here, oh, here's the hot water heater. It's actually in here. There we go. Perfect. Extra storage. I definitely do love the first floor a lot better. There's pros and cons to the first floor. First floor, if somebody wanted to break in, it would be a lot easier versus the second floor. But the first floor is a lot cooler than the upstairs floor because it's hotter. Right? You do get bugs on the first floor versus the second floor. Right? Now, if your tenant floods the first floor, the second floor, you better make sure you have enough insurance to cover the floor that's underneath. That's why I like the first floor. So, it's all case by case basis. Okay? Some pros and cons to it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you along for a ride with me, kind of show you this neighborhood. Let's lock this bad boy up. Yeah. Take a quick cruise. And there's not that many buildings around here. It's not as big of a complex. Now, the HOAs here are $215 a month. You should be able to get at least, right, if the unit's completely done, roughly around $1,600 to $1,800, believe it or not. But there's a lot of things that need to be done to the unit. Could be a little bit challenging for some folks. Now, let's do this. I'm gonna do a quick drive so that way you guys can see what's going on. Alright, let's hop in this bad boy. get the start going. This is almost kind of like a vlog style. Alright, y'all ready? Let's do it. Oh, let me get my seatbelt on too as well. Here we go. Bring the seatbelt over. So you see this is building 12 here. And typically with your HOA fees includes water, sewage, and trash. But you definitely want to clarify that as well. I'm pretty confident it is, but however, you will receive a HOA resale package. Take a look at the rules, regulations, and the bylaws. Now, as you can see right here, here are some of the garage. Some of these garages will be conveyed with the unit, so just make sure that when you do buy into a condo complex like this, you find out exactly what is your parking stall. Now, I guess I could have walked over here, but I'm going to show you guys the pool and the community really quickly here. I might as well just go for a walk. Okay, here we go. Give me just a second. Okay. Now, another thing with these HOA condo communities is that the carports that you see, those are assigned parkings. Typically the ones that don't have the carport, just like this, anybody can park, especially your guests, okay? So, another thing is that with these condominiums out here in Las Vegas, they will have a pool in the clubhouse in the front here. So it looks like we have a pool. So we have a pool here. Then the next building over would be the complex. I mean, the what do you call the clubhouse? I'm sorry. So as you can see, we do have a community pool. Looks like we have a park right next door. It's been a little bit windy, but so as you can see, there's a park over there for the kids. Here you go. Here's the nice park here. So you can see the kids are playing, having a good time. Playing some football here. Alright, let's head back to the car here. Or the Jeep. We're gonna take you guys on a ride. We're gonna go back to the front. Take a look at the entryway, also the clubhouse too as well. Hello, how are you doing? Good. All right, let's get this bad boy going. Also, one of my previous videos, I was talking about the meaning of life and all that stuff. I had a lot of support, a lot of people calling. So I just want to give a quick shout out to all the people on this channel. So much love, so I appreciate you guys for that. All right, let me roll down the window. We'll do all this again. Put on my seatbelt. Hold on. All right, let's back this baby up. Hopefully you guys are finding this content valuable on your next home purchase. Also, don't forget to visit lvhomeexperts.com too as well. And if you are looking to purchase a home, we definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, what we're gonna do is make our way right. Here we go. Now, like I said earlier, We have like Rainbow right over here. You can see all the shopping, Starbucks and everything. The 215, like the location. I love the location. Gets no better than that. I'm curious to hear what your thoughts are so far. Okay, so now we're coming to the front here. Now the front of the community is going to be facing south. Here is the front. So it looks like we do have the clubhouse, you got the mailbox and stuff like that, and also you have a pool back there. I don't feel like going back there now, but you have the gym and all that stuff. So here's your gate, front gate. Not bad, right? All right, guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. If you guys are interested, I will have a link in the description below. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.